Hello, 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 beautifuls. Welcome back to the most gorgeous audience on YouTube. Welcome back, Boutique Babes, to Sharon's Nail Boutique. And welcome if you're new. Won't you be a doll and smash that subscribe button? And please do not forget to turn on all notifications because you are not going to want to miss out on every video I upload. Today we are doing unboxing on Bellavena Double Dip Kit. It's their magic gel tip kit, basically like an Apris dupe, very similar to the Beetle'S one that we did. And I actually almost forgot to mention this little round white thing, or not little round white thing, but or nail display stand. Basically, I will leave the link for that in the description index below. I love this, and actually it helps out a lot to do nail art, especially when I don't want to work on myself. We are also unboxing this gorgeous Beetle'S 12-piece macaron pastel gel liner kit. So here we go. We're going to get right into it. These are the beautiful, gorgeous colors. I'm going to try not to speak so long through this video, but here we go. So here is our gorgeous orchid. These are 5 ml bottles. Here is our gorgeous sachet pink. It's like a salmon-y color. Beautiful pink lady. I love how they gave these all such cute names. Bright white, Lavendar Fog, which is like a periwinkle, bluebell, air blue, ice green, one of my favorites, opal blue, another cutie, afterglow, which by the way does not glow, mock orange, and finally cream puff. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And we're going to be using our McCart's ginger from our January subscription box, and we're gonna go in with 2 coats. But first, our first coat. I love this nail display. I will leave, like I said, I will leave the description index below. I will leave all the links for any of these products that you've seen in the video. And if you're a Prime member, you're not going to want to miss out on that Beetle'S kit, because right now I believe it's still going on. They're having a sale on that, and it's probably comes out to a little under 20 bucks after tax, but it's basically $18 and change on sale right now. So I'm gonna do swatches of these on my little towelette for you real quick and go through all the names again. Look at these colors, they're just beautiful. I really love the selection that they chose for this kit too. I love that they added so many variations of colors. Really A+ Beetle'S on your part. I think you did a great job putting this kit together. The only complaint, and it's not really a complaint, I just wish that the sizes were a little bigger, but that's fine for the price. So this hand file also comes in the box, and you also get a very generous amount of crystals in this Bellavena kit. Now, I'm going to be doing the sizing as well. So we're not only doing decorations on our nail display stand, we're also going to be doing a set on myself as well. So yeah, we're just going to go through them and size them really quick. And these sizes, they fit really great actually. So I just go through, I actually use a 10 for my pinky, a 5 for my ring and pointer, a 4 for my middle finger, and a 0 for my thumb here. So as you can see, I've left some directions here for you. So if you need to pause and just kind of read those real quick, this will help you to get the best fit possible for your nail tips. You're going to want to put these on not a whole lot of products. Read the directions exactly as I wrote them, and you will have a perfect seamless fit every single time. You do not need a lot of this stuff. As a matter of fact, a little goes a long way. And you're going to want to only put like one side of your brush. Now, you saw me do 2 on the thumb, but it wasn't really a full 2 because there was only a little on one side, so that's why I scraped the other side. But all the time, you just want to kind of scrape off one side of the brush. You'll have enough product on that one side, enough for your tip to go in and get a seamless fit. You don't want a lot, because if it spills out, it's gonna just look bad through the tip. So I go through each of them and just shape, but you don't really have to shape them because they're already in that perfect coffin shape for you. I do go in using the 4-in-1 for a base coat as well before I do any of my design or anything. And I also use McCart's ginger color for my nails as well. And I'm just gonna leave you all here to kind of watch. I'm doing 3D candy hearts with an outline using the bright white. I do some little words on one of them, And on my nails, I do like 5 different designs on each of them. One with the flame heart, another with the candy hearts, just like these. My thumb, I do like a tie-dye effect, marble effect with all the colors or almost all the colors. On my pinky, I do clouds with 4-point stars in the rainbow colors. On my pointer, that's the heart flame nail. My ring finger, I do the word love. Instead of the O, I do a heart. So that's basically it, guys. So I'm gonna leave you here so you could all relax and stop listening to my annoying / semi okay voice. It's definitely not ASMR, I'll tell you that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you all here. And like I said, if you're new here, I would love to welcome you to my channel. It would be a pleasure to welcome you to my newest babes. And yes, if you'd like to see anything from me, don't be a stranger. Please be a doll. Leave it in the comments. Even if it's constructive criticism, if you didn't like something, let me know in the comments below and I will work my hardest to fix it or make it different somehow. Yeah, other than that, once you be a doll and smash that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on all your notifications so you could be reminded every time I upload. And other than that, I will see y'all babes later. Kisses and hugs. And don't forget to love yourself each and every day. Positive affirmations, and everyone in your life, especially the kiddos, just make sure to have positive energy. And if you're not in such a great mood, try to take some space so you can regroup, rethink, and come back better for it. So that is all I have for today. I love you all so much, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye now.